click on the Import button in this panel, or select Import a folder to bring all the files from a specific folder into the project at once. To import media in Filmora X, start by launching the application and creating a new project or opening an existing one. In the editor, you'll find the Media Library panel at the top left corner of the screen, where you can manage all the files for your project. To begin importing, click on the Import button in this panel, which will present several options for adding media. You can choose Import Media Files to add individual videos, images, or audio files from your computer, or select Import a folder to bring all the files from a specific folder into the project at once. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files directly from your computer into the Media Library. Once imported, your files will appear as thumbnails in the library. You can also organize your files by renaming, deleting, or arranging them to keep your workspace neat. Finally, drag and drop the desired media from the Media Library onto the timeline to begin editing them in your project.